Good morning, everybody. In the previous classes, we had learned LCM and HCF. Along with these two, we had also learned the relationship between LCM and HCF. Today, let us study the rules of divisibility. These rules will help us determine whether a number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out the division process. Let us have a look at different division tests. Now we will learn divisibility rule for 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. The meaning of this one: the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4, then the original number also divisible by 4. Look at the example 324. The last two digits forms the number 24 and 24 is divisible by 4. 4 6 are 24, remainder is 0, therefore 4 divides 24. We get the quotient 6. So therefore 324, that means the total number also is divisible by 4. Now we will check 324 dividing by 4. 4 8s are 32 and bring down 4 and 4 1s are 4. Now remainder is 0. Therefore 324 is divisible by 4. Now look another example 162. The number formed by last two digits equal to last two digits 6 and 2, that equal to 62. Let us try to divide 62 by 4. 4 1 are 4 and 2 is the remainder and bring down 2, then we get 22. 4 5s are 20 and we get the remainder 2. If the remainder is 2, means 4 does not divide 62, therefore 62 is not divisible by 4. If 62 is not divisible by 4, according to the divisibility rule 162, according to divisibility rule 162 is also not divisible by 4. Note, this divisibility rule works for numbers greater than 100. For smaller numbers, we have to do actual division. Next, divisibility rule for 8. A number with 4 or more digit number. Here, the number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Now look at the example. Verify whether 3624 is divisible by 8. Answer. So first of all, given number is 3624. The number formed by the last 3 digits are 6, 2, 4. So that equal to 624. Now 624 divided by 8 equal to, by dividing 624 by 8, 8 7 are 56 and 6 is the remainder and 4 bring down 4. We get 64. 8 8 are 64. Remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then that means 8 divides 624. According to the divisibility principle of 8, if the last 3 digits divisible by 8, then automatically the total number 3624 is also divisible by 8. Look another example. Verify whether 15,500 is divisible by 8. Answer. Write down given number 15,500 and also the number formed by the last three digits equal to 500. 500 divided by 8. Here dividing 500 by 8. 8 6 are 48. And 2 is the remainder and bring down 0. 8 2 are 16. We get the remainder 4. If the remainder is 4 means 8 does not divide the completely 500. Clearly 500 does not divisible by 8. According to the divisibility principle, the last three digits are not divisible by 8. Therefore, the given number 15,500 is also not divisible by 8. The divisibility rule for number with 1, 2 or 3 digits by 8 has to be checked by actual division. Now, the divisibility rule for 11. It is a specific one and it is a special one for learning. A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places from the right is either 0 or divisible by 11 or multiple of 11. The meaning of this one, divisibility rule for 11, given number is divisible by 11 means we have to find difference. We have to find difference between the sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places from the right. The result should be either 0 or divisible by 11 or multiple of 11. Then only that number is divisible by 11. We will learn by using one example how this rule applicable. Example is, now look at, is 1,90,91,908 is divisible by 11. Answer: given number 1,90,91,908. First of all, we have to identify the places. First, from right side, 8 in the first place, 0 in the second place, 9 in the third place, 1 in the fourth place, 9 in the fifth place, 0 in the sixth place, 9 in the seventh place, and 1 in the eighth place. Here, odd places are 1, 3, 5, 5th and 7th places. Even places are 2nd, 4th, 6th and 8th places. Now, sum of the digits at odd places. What are the digits in the odd places? First place 8, third place 9, fifth place 9 and 7th place 9. By adding all these, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 9, 35. Now, sum of the digits at even places. What are the digits in the even places? Even places 0, second place 0, fourth place 1 and sixth place 0 and eighth place 1. By adding all these, 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1, we get 2. Now we have to find the difference between the sums. Difference between the sums means we have to subtract a smaller one from the bigger one. Difference between the sums. 35 is the bigger one. We are subtracting 2 from the 35. 35 minus 2 equal to 33. By observing, 33 is divisible by 11 because of 11 3s are 33. So if the difference is divisible by 11. According to the divisibility principle, 1,90,91,908 is also divisible by 11. Now we will move to exercise 3.7. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Here we have 5 questions, sub questions. First 572, 21,084, 14,560, 1,700, 2,150. I will solve second question and fifth question. Second question. The given number 21,084. Here we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. For this, we are taking the help of the divisibility rules. The number formed by the last 2 digits equal to 84. Now we try to divide 84 by 4. 84 by dividing 4, 4 2s are 8 and bring down 4, 4 1s are 4, and the remainder we get remainder 0. The remainder 0 means it divisible by 4. So 84 is divisible by 4. The given number 21,084 also divisible by 4 according to the divisibility rule of 4. Now we will move to the fifth question, 2,150. The number formed by the last 2 digits, 5 zeros, so that is 50. Try to divide 50 by 4. 4 1s are 4 and 1 is the remainder and bring down 0, then we get 10. 4 2s are 8 and 2 is the remainder. So that means here we get the remainder 2, that means it is not 0, therefore 50 is not divisible by 4. If 50 is not divisible by 4, automatically the given number 2150 also is not divisible by 4. Now do the remaining questions, sub questions 1, 3, 4 mark by practicing the above questions. Coming to the second question, test whether the following numbers are divisible by 8. Here also we have 5 sub questions. 9,774, 5,31,048, 5,500 and 6,136, 4,152. Now first question, 9,774. Here we have to apply the divisibility rule 8. What it says? The number formed by the last 3 digits. Here the number formed by the last 3 digits is 774. Now we will try to divide these 774 by 8. 8 9s are 72. 5 4. 5 is the remainder and 4 we are bringing down the 4. The 8 6 are 48 and we get the remainder 6. The meaning of this means 774 is not divisible by 8. According to divisible rule of 8, 9,774 is also not divisible by 8. Now second question, 5,31,048. The number formed by the last 3 digits is 048. Here the 0 in the left hand side, therefore its value is 48. Try to divide 48 by 8. So 8 6 are 48 and the remainder is equal to 0. Here the remainder is 0, therefore 48 is divisible by 8. According to the divisibility rule of 8, 5,31,048 also divisible by 8. Practice remaining sums. Third, fourth and fifth using divisibility principle 8. Third question. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 11. First question, 8,59,484. Second question, 10,824. Third question, 20,801. I will solve first question and do the remaining questions homework. Answer: 8,59,484. Given number 8,59,484. First we have to identify the places. In the first place we have 4, digit 4. In the second place digit 8. In the third place digit 4. In the fourth place digit 9. In the fifth place digit 5. In the sixth place digit 8. According to the divisibility principles, first we have to find the sum of the digits at odd places. What are the digits at odd places? Odd place means first place 4, third place 4, and fifth place 5. So by adding all these, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13, we get 13. Again, the sum of digits at even places. Even places means 8 second place, 9 in the fourth place, 8 in the sixth place. Therefore, sum of 8 plus 9 plus 8 equal to 25. Now, the difference between the sums. Sum means totals. Here, 25 minus 13. We get 12. Clearly, we know that 12 is not divisible by 11. According to the divisibility principles of 11, the total number, that is the original number 8,59,484 is also not divisible by 11. So solve the remaining questions, second, third using first question and examples.